gosh, sino nga ulit to? Yung kalbo na sikat?
Ay! Ayan na, papasok na! Matigas na agad yun!
Ewan ko, yun ba yun? If nata-turn on ka or something.
Hi, my name is Carlos Tan.
Hi, my name is Vince.
Hi, I'm Clarice.
Hi, my name is Nicole and I've never watched porn.
I've never watched porn because I never saw the need to watch porn.
Hindi ko alam kung dahil sa religious ako, ganun.
Taray, religious. Alam ko yung sex. Ayoko lang siyang makita kasi pinalaki ako na parang dapat ako yung gagawa nun, hindi ko dapat siya panoorin.
The idea of being filmed while doing it, it's not something that sparked me. I don't know, it never really made me want to watch.
Yung science namin nun, tungkol sa pag-reproductive system, tapos na-open up ng teacher namin nun na if nanonood man kayo, pinapalit daw nun yung brain namin. So, syempre ako, nakinig ako, ayoko mangyari yun eh. Diba?
Tsaka mahilig ako magbasa ng books. Mas okay sa akin yung pagbabasa kaysa manood.
I mean, nakapanood ako ng 50 Shades, pero ini-skip ko yung ibang parts. Hindi kasi ako natutuwa.
Kasi pag sa books, pag ako nag-i-imagine, very ano yun, parang magical, very parang nasa movie. Pero feeling ko pag sa porn, very realistic na kikringe ako.
Carlos, are
Yes.
you ready to watch porn for the first time?
Yes.
Yes, ready na po.
Yung ano, title pa lang, side more, come inside.
So, yung pangalan ng model is Lana Rhodes. Okay.
Oh my gosh, sino nga ulit to? Yung kalbo na sikat?
Well, they're being interviewed right now, these two people. It doesn't look like your typical porno. There's a concept to it.
Ay, may nakahubad na babae. Tinatawag ng babae yung lalaki.
Okay lang, nagkikiss lang naman sila.
Mukhang galing pa sila sa gym talaga. Ako active naman ako sa gym, pero hindi ganito.
Yung camera style is point of view ng guy. Hinahawakan niya na yung puwet ng babae.
Oh my gosh, sinira pa yung pants ng girl.
Okay, sila ng dalawa yung ano. Parang,
Sinusubo na ng babae yung private part ng guy.
Wow, this is like overwhelming.
matigas na agad yun!
It's so long, unrealistically long.
Buti na lang ducks yung guy. Siguro kung jutes to wala na, hindi na in-air.
What does this guy take?
Wait lang, ang clear ang ganda naman! Ganun ba talaga lahat ng ano, ng Kifi? Maganda sa ano?
Nagulat ako kasi biglang ano na sila eh, like walang foreplay or any. Casual silang nag-uusap, then biglang ayun, nag-sex na agad sila.
I don't know if she's like genuinely enjoying it or it's just because she's a porn star.
Bakit ang close Grabe yung pagkawet ng girl.
Okay, they've switched positions.
Sa isip mo, Vince?
Ako kung nat-turn on ba ako or may parang weird akong nararamdaman.
Bakit naman ang controlling naman ni ate?
Oh my gosh, may next round pa sila. Hindi man lang naglinis.
Alright, congratulations for watching porn for the first time. Okay, so
Parang ang OA ko, bro. Sorry.
how was that experience for you? Is there anything new that you've learned or picked up on?
Wala ko masabi. Totoo talaga. Yung ina-expect ko na clear, na HD.
Napaka-hardcore niya para sa akin kasi pag sex di ba dapat mild lang. Siya kasi talagang parang ayaw niya magpaawat eh.
As being religious person, -100 na ako agad.
I know that porn is exaggerated and that kind of validated that belief of mine.
Tsaka ang ganda masyado ng Kifi. Bakit ganun?
Napaka-random niya. Like, syempre yung babae, una-una sa lahat, ilalock niya yung CR. Then, kakatok muna syempre yung lalaki. Hindi niya agad bubuksan din yun as a man, di ba? Knowing na may tao pa sa loob. Talagang, ano siya, scripted.
Lalo na yung kalbo na yun, lagi kong nakikita yun eh sa ads. Si Johnny Papa.
Obviously, when someone gives you something pleasurable, you moan. But they're moaning on the times that nothing is even happening, like, you know, during the transitions and stuff. So I don't think it's that realistic. But for me personally, when I do it, it does not look like this.
Hindi ako na-stimulate sa mga ganitong videos.
Feeling ko may nahuli akong nagsisexas. Ako yung nakahuli.
If titignan po natin, napaka-conservative ng Philippines pagdating sa ganyan. Pero pag tinignan nyo po yung population natin, yung mga maaga pong nabubuntis, sobrang taas po. Pero parang ang contradicting po, di ba?
Kanina ko pa sinasabing sex education, pero it's an umbrella term. Hindi ko siya pinopromote sa younger adults kasi nga ako 25 na nagugulat pa sa napanood ko. Feeling ko dun lang sa part na on how it is done naturally, just like how it should be demonstrated.
Hindi lang naman part ng sex education is yung paggamit ng condom, 'di ba, yung family planning. Kasama din po doon kung ano ba talaga yung ginagawa.
I mean, ano yung cum? Ano ba tong basa na to na lumalabas sa tao na to? Yung pala, ano na yun, sperm na pwede na mabuo ng baby. Ganun.
I think the benefits of watching porn is that you get to explore your sexual side.
Gets ko na yung mga tao na pag sinasabi na they love it rough, they love it wild. Parang dun nila nakukuha yung inspiration sa pinunood ng mga different genres. And it's not a bad thing, it's okay.
I mean, for me personally, I don't watch porn. I explore my sexual side through the actual deed. But some people who are not as comfortable can explore through watching the different categories.
Lahat naman kasi ng sobra malina. So like, ang gusto ko lang i-ano is yung porn addiction.
Pag nanonood ka ng porn kasi, yun nga, syempre, manood ka. Ay, masarap palang manood ng porn. Kahit nasa bahay lang ako, kahit single ako, na-stimulate yung excitement.
Pwede ko din siya makonsider na bisyo yung panonood ng porn. Kasi araw-araw mo ginagawa, non-stop. Like, every hour or kung kailan mo lang maisipan. So, yun yung downside niya.
Too much pornography can distort your perception of women or the other gender or whoever you like. It also should be controlled. Because if it's not, everywhere you go, you're just gonna imagine people naked.
Based on studies din, dami din naman nilang cons. Like, number one is their self-esteem. Katulad kanina, I felt it. Yun, insecure ako kanina kasi ang laki ng puwet niya, ang ganda ng kitty niya, parang ganun.
Yung iba kasi ginagawang standard, yung porn. Dapat ganito kagagaling, ganun.
Like, gagawin lang po example yun na ganito siya para maiwasan na po yung mga batang ma-curious sa mga ganun kasi i-introduce naman po sa kanila yon in the future.
From this experience, sa tingin mo ba manonood ka ulit ng porn?
No, I don't see the need to watch porn after watching porn.
For me talaga, hindi ako nanonood ng porn. Ayoko talaga.
Feeling ko, oo. Kasi ngayon single ako, so baka feeling ko kailangan ko na. This is the time.
Maybe. Kasama yung partner ko.
For me, natuwa naman ako, to be honest. And, mas lumawak yung pananaw ko sa sex.
Just watch it in moderation. Don't get addicted. Don't let it control your life.
Huwag kayong OA. Watch at your own risk.
Be responsible na lang, guys.
Alright, so that's
Yeah.
it, Carlos.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you so much for letting me watch it!